Hi guys, in this video, let us take a look at this question. It says that the displacement of a particle of mass 3 grams executing SHM is given by y is equal to 3 sine 0.2 t in SI units, and the kinetic energy of a particle at a point which is at a distance equal to 1 by 3 of its amplitude from its mean position. So what we need to find out, okay, in this question is kinetic energy of a particle. Okay. Now let me just take the pen. So what they're saying is we have to find out the kinetic energy, and we know what is the kinetic energy. Okay, in case of SHM, what is the kinetic energy? It is half mv square. Okay, so we can write it as half m, and what is v? V is nothing but what? Omega root a square minus x square, right? This is also how we write, right? Velocity can be written like this, right? Omega root a square minus x square, where a is the amplitude and x is the distance from the mean position, right? So if you see the question, okay, like the equation is y is equal to 3 sine 0.2 t. So in this equation, okay, let's quickly identify, okay, the various values that we need, okay, to solve this question. So y is equal to what? 3 into sine into 0.2 t. Now let's quickly write this. So this is nothing but what? Y is equal to a times sine omega t, right? So we got what is a is this. What is omega? Omega is 0.2. So we got the two values, okay, we got a and we got omega. So substitute these two values here, okay, a and omega. And what is x? Okay, now they are saying kinetic energy of the particle at a point which is at distance is equal to 1 by 3 of the amplitude. So x is what? It is 1 by 3 of the amplitude. So can I write that x is equal to 1 by 3 into 3? Okay, so that is equal to 1, right? So x is 1. What is a? A was 1. And what was omega? Omega is 0.2. So we have all the values, okay, we just have to put it here, okay, and we have to compute. So, and mass is also given 3 grams, right? So we will have half. 3 grams is 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 kgs. And then we have omega. Omega is 0. Oh, half mv square. Okay, so this is square. I forgot to write this. Okay, don't forget this. Okay, this is half mv square. So this will be, okay, let's write it like this. Okay, so omega is what? It is 0.2. And what is root a square minus x square? So this is going to be a square is nothing but, sorry, amplitude is 3, right? 3. So it's going to be 3 square minus what is x? X is 1. So it's going to be 1 square and this whole square. So what we are getting? We are getting half into 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. 0.2 whole square is going to be 0.04. And 3 square minus 1 square, that's 9 minus 1, 8. Okay. So that's going to be 2 root 2. Okay. So this into 2 root 2. And then we have whole square. So we are getting what? We are getting half, okay, into 3 into 10 to the power minus 3, and this is going to be 2, so 0.04 and 2 root 2 wholes, oh sorry, 2 root 2 whole square. Yeah, so 0.2 whole square we have already done, right? And this is 2 root 2, so 2 root 2 whole square. Yeah, so this is going to be 0.04 and 2 root 2 whole square is going to be 4 into 2, that is 8, right? So we can cut 2 here with 8, so we get 4 here. Okay, so this becomes 3 into 0.04 into 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so or I can write it as this is, okay, let's change the pen so it's easy to see. Okay, so we can write this is 3, this is 4, this is 4. So 3 into 4 into 4, how much? 16 into 3, 48. Okay, and this is 0.04. Okay, so you can say 0.48 into 10 to the power minus 3 joules, right? So 0.48 0.48 into 10 to the power minus 3 joules. This is going to be our kinetic energy in this case, okay, in this SHM. So that is the answer, and this is how we do it, right? Okay, thanks for watching.